Matt, I am reading some statistics that scare the bejesus out of me. And A, I want to see if they're true. And B, I want to see if they make sense. Basically, I'm hearing numbers like 30% of folks are doing cash out refis today. And I don't get it. There are absolutely some unique corner cases that make sense, but I think there's a lot of bad actors pushing cash out refis today in the mortgage business. And I know you're going to tell me the truth. So what's going on?
Yeah, you know what's funny is I'm going to dig in. I'm going to find out. A stat I read: 31% of mortgage being originated is refinance. Another stat says, I think Black Knight put out something yesterday. Of the refinance that's going on, 90% of it is cash out refinance. I have a hard time believing that there's that many people that would benefit from a cash out refinance. So I'm going to find out whether that stat includes home equity lines of credit. I'm plugged into U Mortgage. We're doing over 5,000 loans a year. So I've got a good sample size there. I talked to a broker owner from a place here in California. He's 95% purchase, 5% refinance. I looked at some numbers for my personal team. We're like 91% 9. And so as a consumer, before I dig in to find out what's going on, I know there's bad actors. I know there's people that are talking people who are in a bad financial spot into doing something that short-term feels good, long-term financial picture hurts them. But you need to talk to somebody who can look at your situation. Another problem, Mike, is that if you're talking to somebody who doesn't have all the options, you think they're going to steer you towards an option that they have only? And if they don't, here, I'll repeat this because it's important. Somebody in my office, loan originator, great one at that, went into their doctor. Somebody in that office said, I talked to Quicken. They told me that I should do a cash out refinance and that I can't do a home equity line of credit. I'm here to tell you that's absolute bullshit, so much so that we're doing the home equity line of credit for that borrower because it was far and away the better way to structure it for the client. The thing that sucks, Mike, and it's the sad truth. Home equity line of credit, we will get paid about 1/8 of what we would get paid if we did a cash out refinance. But the client wins. When the client wins, we win because long-term, we create relationships with people that trust us. They refer us all their family and friends. And so the overarching message for people is talk to somebody who you can trust. Go to greatmortgagebroker.com. Even if you're talking to somebody else and you just want to run it by us, I've had plenty of people say, hey, what about this scenario? I'm going to sign next week and here's what I'm doing. Oh, you know what? In your case, it makes sense. Bless you.
Yeah, there are corner cases. There absolutely are, but there's not 31% corner cases.
For sure. That's the thing too, is like the math isn't mathing. There's not enough people that are going to benefit from a cash out refinance for it to make sense. Unfortunately, as well, we're in a time where I'm talking to people every single day. Inflation hurts. Groceries are more expensive. Credit card debt is climbing. I get it. But make sure that you're not doing something that's a quick fix that hurts your financial future.
And then you brought up the other thing. This is what I think is going on. I don't think it's crazy to say that the mortgage business has been struggling for a couple of years. I think we have some actors out there, and maybe it's not the company, maybe it's individual teams. Because I've been in sales, right? There's a sales team, there's regions, there's districts, there's all this different tree. Maybe there's just some boiler room types that are like, hey, we don't do equity lines because we don't make any money. We only do loans. Let's push, tell them we can't do them, tell them they're not qualified. Maybe it's not coming from corporate. Maybe it's one or two teams. But to hear someone say you can't do a loan and knowing that they make 1/8 the fee or the cost or whatever, commission, whatever you call it, that hurts, man. That's why we have 31% of mortgages being cash out refis, because the jack weasels are taking care of themselves versus taking care of the client. That's exactly what I think is happening.
Yeah. And I mean, I'm seeing this, unfortunately, with loan originators with real estate agents. I had a conversation yesterday where the client said the agent was really pushing me. And I said, I know because I talk to agents and I've got great agent partners that I work with. If they're doing 4 deals per year, Mike, like this one closing is their quarter of salary. And there's a lot of people that might not have to take that test, fortunately, where here's all your pay for 4th quarter. And if this person buys, you get it. And if they don't, you don't, right? Yeah. I like to surround myself with people who are, running their business and aligned with me, where we're going to serve a lot of people. We're going to help a lot of people, but we're going to do it in a way that aligns with their best interest. And over time, that's going to create more business for us. We're going to be fine. We're not going to worry about who buys when and how that affects our bottom line. We're going to worry about the client first. But, there's a lot of people, unfortunately, that are in a position where it means too much to them and their moral compass can get off track.
Folks, at the end of the day, do me a favor. If you are considering a cash out refi today, I want to ask, implore, beg for you to reach out to Matt, the mortgage guy, just to get a once over. He will take a look at your situation and tell you, yeah, you know what? In your situation, it's the best thing for you. But if you are being told you can't do an equity line because this or that, you're probably being lied to. Maybe, but you're probably being lied to. Please,
if you're eligible for a cash out refinance, you're eligible for home equity line of credit almost 100% of the time. So, I'll one up it. If you want to go to greatmortgagebroker.com and fill out a form, great. We can get in touch with my team. If you have something that you want us to review, just email me, Matt, M-A-T-T, at MTMG, like Matt the mortgage guy, .com. Matt at mtmg.com. If you send that over, I promise to personally review it, because I think that unfortunately there's people that are being talked into something. They might look back in 9 months or 12 months ago, holy crap, I just raised my mortgage payment by $1,200. It made me feel good that I could pay off $70,000 in credit card debt, but now I'm paying an extra $15,000 a year in a mortgage payment, and that's not very comfortable.
For 30 years.
Right.
Matt the mortgage guy, again, Matt at mtmg.com. It'll save you. It will at least give you comfort that you're doing the right thing. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, Mike.